Ever wondered which rural communities lack access to essential healthcare? Create interactive maps with GIS and MAPOG to show hospital coverage. Start by going to story.mapog.com. Create new story. Give your project a title and description. Next, in the Process Data section, choose Upload CSV or Excel. Browse your Excel file and upload it. Then, define the location fields by selecting latitude and longitude and publish the layer. Now let's create the Convex Hull. Go to Process Data, select Convex Hull, and choose your main layer as the hospital file you just uploaded. For the main layer attribute, pick the category column, set a buffer of 500 meters, and rename the layer to keep it organized. After that, go to the Style Editor. Select Type as Category, choose the Convex Hull output layer, and set the attribute as Category. Then, go to Label Feature. Pick the same layer, select the category field, and save your changes. Repeat this process for the specialty column to create category-wise convex hulls for different hospital types. Style them by category, so they're easy to distinguish on the map and label it. Once again, do the same process for ambulance availability. Once the map is ready, click Publish and Share to generate a live interactive link or embed code for reports, dashboards, or presentations. Ready to map smarter and improve healthcare planning? Start your project today at story.mapog.com. For help, contact support at mapog.com. Like, share, and subscribe for more creative GIS storytelling ideas.